Hey everybody, T. Morris and Benedict here. In a previous 5 Minute Paranormal, you heard me talk a bit about the dual band Spirit Box P-SB11. 2 months ago on YouTube, Dirty77 asked if we could create a 5 Minute Paranormal on how to set up and use this particular Spirit Box. And as you've heard me say often, if you've got an idea for a 5 Minute Paranormal, make sure to drop it in the comments. And while you're there, like this video and subscribe to the channel because those likes and subs go a long way in helping us out here at Old Spirits. Now, you've got the P-SB11 Spirit Box ready to go. How do you use this thing? First, I should mention we will not be covering the ANC feature offered with certain PSB models. This is just the Spirit Box itself, but if you want the full review, you can check that out up here. Now, let's get into working with this device. Step 1. Turn the power on. No, I'm not being a smartass here. I'm starting with the basics, and it might surprise you how long it took me to find the power button, and it's right here. Flip it to the on position. Step 2. Set channel 2 to the AM band. Every time you turn on the SB11, both channels will be FM. Tap the AM/FM button to change channel 2 to AM. The band light will turn from red to blue when you have done this. Step 3. Start the sweep rate either reverse or forward. Here's where things get less than intuitive in the user interface. To activate the sweep rate, press and hold the reverse or forward button. Once the active band light begins blinking, you will have begun your sweep. Step 4. Adjust the sweep rate. Now is when you press the sweep rate button, making the band sweep faster or slower. Faster will offer you more opportunities for responses, while slower rates will yield longer, more discernible responses. Step 5. Adjust volume. Tap the volume buttons for each band to adjust volume. There is no display to tell you exactly how loud each band is, so you will have to, for the lack of a better term, play it by ear. Step 6. Extend built-in kickstand. The SB11 comes with its own kickstand. Pull this out from the back and prop up your Spirit Box for easy use. Step 7. Use in the field, record sessions. The SB11 is now ready to use, but it is very easy when in the field to misinterpret or miss altogether catches on your Spirit Box. That's why OSI recommends you record on video or audio your various sessions for later review. You might find additional responses waiting for you. And here's an optional step 8. Use an adapter for Estes methods. As featured in yet another 5 Minute Paranormal, the Estes method requires headphones with a Spirit Box. For the P-SB11, an adapter is needed to capture both bands on one set of headphones. Simply plug in the jacks into the FM and AM inputs, plug in your headphones, and you are all set. With that, you are ready to work with your P-SB11 and hopefully capture moments like these.
Look here. It's an invitation to come out and talk to us. So keep an ear out for any.
Well, did you hear that?
Yeah.
You heard the knock, right? You
Yeah.
heard that.
Yes, I did. That was me.
That was me. Jeez. If you've been enjoying the P-SB11, please share with us your results in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. On behalf of all of us here at OSI, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you in the field.